How to speed up your Windows faster. Step 1. Speed up shutdown. Open Start and type Registry Editor. Right-click and click on Run as Administration. Expand H key Local Machine. Expand System. Expand Current Control Set. Click on Control. Right-click Wait to kill service timeout and click on Modify. Change the value to 2000 and press OK. Now expand H key Current User. Expand Control Panel. Click on Desktop. Right-click and click on New. Press Enter. Right-click and click on Modify. Now restart your computer. Step 3. Open Run and type temp. Delete all content in this folder. Open Run again. Delete all content in this folder. Step 4. Open Power Plan and choose High Performance. Step 5. Disable Startup Apps. Open Task Manager. Step 6. Open Start and type Disk Cleanup. Select all and press OK. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.